I am Assistant Professor P. Sasirika, Department of Zoology, Bharatiyar Arts and Science College for Women, Devia Kurichi. We can see about cell organelles. The cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke. In cell, such transportation facilitated by endoplasmic reticulum. The cytoplasm contains a network of membrane-bound tubules, vesicles, and sacs. It is called endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is rough and another one is smooth. In some endoplasmic reticulum, spherical granular structures called ribosomes are attached on the surface. This type of endoplasmic reticulum is called granular or rough endoplasmic reticulum. The binding site of ribosome on the rough endoplasmic reticulum is called translocon. It occurs in almost all cells which are actively engaged in protein synthesis, such as liver cells, pancreatic cells, etc. Since the large number of proteins from rough endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum serves as storage area for newly synthesized molecules. And another type of endoplasmic reticulum is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no attached ribosome on the surface, thus appears much smooth than rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesize fat. Ribosomes. Ribosomes, when they are attached with endoplasmic reticulum, is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. The location of ribosome indicates specific function of the cell. It is attached to endoplasmic reticulum and synthesize protein and exported and added to the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm synthesizes the protein used to be the cell. Cytoplasm collect the protein molecules. Every unique shape origin is called Golgi apparatus. Here, see the structure of Golgi apparatus. It was first discovered by Camillo Golgi. The Golgi apparatus processed and packed proteins and lipids throughout the cell. The proteins and lipids used for plasma membrane formation. Thus, process of high quantity of proteins and lipids. Lysosomes formed from Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus packed some acid hydrolytic enzymes and released in the form of lysosomes. Lysosomes recycle the damaged organelles and fight against invading harmful microbes. Lysosomes are membrane bound vesicles. It contain hydrolytic enzymes. These enzymes degrade the proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates and formed from endoplasmic reticulum. These enzymes transported to the Golgi by the transport vesicles. These vesicles pinched off from Golgi apparatus called lysosomes. Once the bacteria enter the cell membrane, it forms vesicle called phagosome. Now occur phagocytosis. The lysosome fuses with phagosome called phagolysosome. Lysosome liberates hydrolytic enzymes and digests the bacteria. Lysosome also fuse with the mitochondria. Mitochondria is an important cell organelle. It is powerhouse of the cell. It is important organelles generate the energy in the form of ATP. Cells contain many number of mitochondria according to their function. For example, kidney and muscle cells contain more number of mitochondria. Structurally, mitochondria vary in size and shape. Mitochondria has two membranes, outer membrane and smooth inner membrane, has minute particles called cristae. Some mitochondria has DNA. Mitochondria is an important organelle for cell respiration. In some organisms, mitochondria involved in inheritance of maternal characters.